Good morning again, everybody, and happy Friday. It is the 26th of June, and we're seeing a nice high base here, pre and post market from yesterday. This morning, there's some news out, and personal spending rose by 0.3% in May. But as you can see, the stock futures again are sort of just flat. It's just pre and post market SPY data. So you can see, again, we're not getting a sell-off, we're not getting a nice rise in here. But if you look where we came from on this little 15-minute chart, you can see from yesterday, nice run up into resistance at this filled gap back here. I know it's hard to see that. I'll scrunch it up and kind of go back in time. Right, so this is where we were fighting into yesterday. A perfect little gap fill. If I remove this pre and post market data, we'll do that right now. You'll be able to see it a little more clearly probably. Do that. Okay. There we go. So again, that makes a lot of sense to stall at a round number like 92 or any round number into a gap. Next stop would be the 92.50, 92.60 area. A lot of overhead resistance there. But on a daily chart, if you zoom in, that was a nice run right back up into this. Again, there's that gap fill. Again, and this is the swing high that we just mentioned, was the 92.50, 60 area. Above that, we'll look for 93 and 94 round numbers and see if we can even press back up into this high base type of situation that we had before. But now these people up here kind of hurt a little bit on the sell-off, almost 100% retracement of this run-up. So while things were looking bullish for a while, this sell-off does diminish that by X%, looking for a lower swing high in here, at least at some point. But all that said, with this volume return on the run-up, and a close almost right on the high of that with almost no upper shadow, that tells me a lot about the sentiment going into the day as well. So we'll look for either a consolidation continuation today or even maybe a little run up. All of that in context with a longer term weekly chart, just trying to fight through all the things that we mentioned several weeks ago. Declining 50 MA, round number of 100, 50% retracement level of this whole big sell-off from before. And so again, just take this whole thing into context, and if you're going to be trading intraday, just know what you're about to fight into. Again, look for confirmation in the tick and the trends and even the VIX before you go long or short, and look for relative strength and weakness in stocks, and you'll be good to go. So trade well, everybody. I'll talk to you around noon, and it's fun working with you.